Subsurface conditions of groundwater and the rock must be known. Answer. Water table. A material used as covering, such as pipe bigger than the main pipe of the deep well, so that the main pipe can be pulled out for repair. Answer. Casing. An opening or space to accommodate a group of pipes. Answer. Pipe chase. Sites with subsurface which are about 1.80 meters to 2.4 meters below the grade can cause problem with excavation, foundation, utility placement, and landscaping. This is described as a level underground in which the soil is situated with water. Answer. Water table. Shall be placed as near as possible to the fixtures from which is received the discharge and shall have an airtight cover, easily removable to permit its cleaning. Answer. Sand traps. This is the vertical distance between the dip and the ground where an embankment or levee, built to hold water in its course or to divert into a new course of P-trap. Answer. Trap cell. When water supply of the very tall building is designed as a unit, the required capacities or tanks, pumps, and pipings become unduly large and excessive pressures are developed in the lower portion of the downpaid riser. The building therefore are divided into. Answer. Bolt. The result of minus pressure in the drainage system. Answer. Siphonage. A pressure is a force required to move gas or liquid when the large amount of the trap cell is absolutely discharged. Answer. Siphonage. The water in the trap between the dip and the ground were to prevent unpleasant and odorous gases to enter the room through the fixtures. Answer. Trap cell. Upon the completion of the entire water distribution system, including connection to apprentices, devices, tanks, and pressure, it shall be tested and inspected by means of. Answer. Water and air test. Topic. Sewage disposal system refuse handling. Question and answer. When the cell is loose, backflow of gases from the sewer line will pass into the trap, find its way to the fixture's drained outlet, and spread into the room. Answer. Siphonage. A receptacle in which liquids are retained for the sufficient period of time to deposit settlable materials. Answer. Catch basin. A receptacle or watertight bolt used to collect organic waste discharged from the house sewer and designed and constructed so as to separate solids from the liquid, digest the organic matter through the period of detention, and allow the effluent to discharge a storm drain. Answer. Septic tank. A common way of disposing solid is by. Answer. Incineration. A public sanitary waste disposal system consisting of the treatment unit which conveys the raw waste to the disposal system. Answer. Public sewer main. If this is operated properly, it can reduce bulk to 90 to 95% as leftover is generally disposed of in the landfill. Answer: incineration. Another method of disposing municipal solid waste is by dumping of refuse at pre-planned site, compacted and covered with a layer of earth. This method is called answer: sanitary landfill. This is a controlled burning of combustible waste. This can be effective waste reduction method for 70% of all municipal waste. Answer: incineration. This is contraption inverted to dispose leftover straight from the kitchen sink. Answer: garbage disposer. When garbage from different floor of the high-rise building is disposed of from opening and directly lead to the basement garbage bin, this is called answer: rubbish chutes. After the ground preparation, a blank should be laid out on the area enclosed for sanitary landfill. Answer: liner. The main purpose is to prevent the seepage of leachate, a dirty water to cause liquid to percolate deep down to the groundwater strata. Answer: liner. Simply turn on the faucet, flick the power switch, and place the leftovers such as bones, fruit, pits, rotten vegetable, spoiled bones, and wash down the drained pipes. Answer: garbage disposer. A method of landfill wherein a tractor digs a trench with a bulldozer blade and trucks dump the refuse to it. Answer: trench method. This consists of soil or composite material such as synthetic plastic or asphalt sheets. Answer: liner. Tractor compact the refuse thoroughly and covers it with earth that was dug up earlier. This method is primarily used on the ground level. Answer: trench method. In this method, trucks deposit refuse over the selected area. Use heavy tractor with special compacting wheel press down the refuse. Then the refuse is covered with the earth hauled in from elsewhere. Answer: area method. Collection of human waste is done by elaborate system to carry most liquid seepage to blank, where the seaweeds underground a series of treatment steps to remove polluting materials, biological and chemical contaminants that can harm human health or ecological system. Answer: water treatment plants. This method of landfill is generally used on the rolling terrain where the existing slope of the land can be used as a basin. Answer: area method. The use of aerobic microorganisms to break down the organic matter left in the seaweeds is called answer: biological oxidation. In the water treatment plants, the first stage is trapping or screening of coarse, suspended matter into answer: great chamber.